Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, scrape out loose debris with a plastic spatula, then add hot water and 1/2 cup dish soap to cover stains. Once filled, let the pot soak for 20 to 30 minutes to loosen burnt bits. If grease refuses to budge, put the pot back on low heat until tiny bubbles form, then remove from heat and wait. This combination of heat and detergent breaks down oils and cooked-on food, so you can move to targeted cleaning without grinding. Once the soak has loosened gunk, make a paste of 2 tablespoons baking soda and a little water. Apply it to stains and scrub with a non-abrasive pad in circular motions. This lifts residue without scratching. For ringed or discolored areas, sprinkle baking soda, then add a splash of white vinegar. Expect fizzing that helps dissolve deposits. Rinse thoroughly and inspect. If mineral haze or color bands remain, repeat the paste step and rinse until the surface looks even and matte bright. Dry and buff the pot with a microfiber cloth to restore shine. You should wipe along the grain if visible. Once dry, use a cream cleanser or a tiny dab of stainless polish for heat marks or fine streaks. Work it in, then rinse. Make sure to avoid steel wool. That causes scratches and traps residue. If discoloration, pitting, or deep etching persists after repeated cleaning, stop and check manufacturer repair or replacement guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.